Hello, everyone! Get ready, we're going to draw our favorite space hero, Buzz Lightyear. Wow! Let's start with Buzz's big smile. Friends, first, draw a short, flat line like this. Then draw a curved line connecting the two ends to form a half circle. Well, this is the base of Buzz's head. Now, let's draw his unique hair. Just follow the pattern as you can see. It'll be cute! Then, it's the turn of his expressive eyebrows, then to round and sparkling eyes. And finally, a wide smiling mouth. Add a little line detail here, just like this. Great! Don't forget, Buzz has ears. Draw two ears on the sides of the head. Yes, very nice. Now, for his proud helmet. We draw the same headgear or helmet shape as Buzz's head shape before. You guys are amazing! Now we move on to Buzz's valiant body. Just follow the pattern, guys. Also draw the pattern on his distinctive upper shirt. Then we draw his stomach by drawing a line down like this. Don't forget the pattern on his stomach too. Next, it's Buzz's feet that are ready to step into space. Draw two downward lines to form his feet. Then we draw his cool astronaut shoes. Just follow along as you can see. Hooray! Both of Buzz's legs are done. Finally, we draw his arms ready for action. Draw the lines like this. Hooray! Buzz is finished! You guys did great! Now, it's time to thicken the lines on the picture to make it clearer. After that, we give it color. You can use your favorite color too, to make Buzz more special. Keep following until the end, friends! proud of. Buzz the astronaut's drawing is finished. Fly to infinity and beyond. Thank you for drawing with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss any other drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.